What up, dicks? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit Colts way. Today we're gonna work on the vacuum lines on my old 7.3 right there. See it's only blowing defrost, so when I turn it on like vent, nothing comes out towards my face. The sucker blows good out the vent, out the top, but hell, I got to have it blowing in my face sometimes. You know what I mean? So I got some just regular old vacuum lines from AutoZone, Universal. See if I can get them to work, but I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right. So high, and then we'll put it on max. Okay, can't see it, but I mean, you see it pushing it up? Hell, I got air there coming out. It's coming out good. But I ain't got nothing. So when I go to this vent right here, you know, nothing's coming out of this vent at all. Like, see that? I got it right on there, nothing. But then when I put it up here, still blowing good. Still blowing good. Nothing out of my vents. So we got to fix that shit because it's hot. So this is what I think we got to do. I got some universal vacuum lines. Well, I'm gonna turn the truck off. All right, now you can hear something. I prefer the sound of this over my voice as well, but oh well. So I know the vacuum pump's working because my brakes are working, and you know, the little vacuum, let me get the wide view. The little vacuum line comes up here, hits this like little Christmas tree thing, and I was messing with this trying to pull it off, and I could hear it hissing, so I know that shit works. So, you know, I'm pretty sure that this one goes right there, okay? And then this one looks like it's been repaired before, but it goes right there. God dang freaking gnats. But I gotta cut this stripping up a little bit because there's a white piece in there, I can see it, and it goes to that. So we're gonna get all that shit on there and see if this can fix it. Let's roll. All right, got my old trusty latte right here. All right, so what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna probably just see if I can take this end off, pull this thing off, and pull that one off, and then I got two different size vacuum lines. I got that one, and then I got a smaller one. So we'll see what I can get to fit, but I'll see if I can maybe put it up on a tripod right here and let you kind of see the process, because I ain't never done this before, but we'll see if it works. Let's go. I might need a bigger vacuum line. Mother effer. Of course I do. Well, where'd I put that piece at? That's going back on there then, and I'm cutting this. So, what I need to do, dang. Of course I grabbed two smaller ones, thinking that was gonna be big enough. Let's see how big it is on this freaking tree. Hell yeah. Well, honestly, I think this will go like that. Shoot, son. We'll try this first. So, yeah, let's get this on here like that. What I'm wanting to do is, damn, I was gonna heat shrink this. Come on. I was gonna see if that would maybe. I was gonna heat shrink it, you know, and then tape it. Try to heat shrink it, and then I feel like if I taped it and heat shrunk it, it would hold. That's what we're gonna do. If it don't work, it don't work. Like I said, if it don't work, it don't work. It's gonna be all right. I'm gonna put red for the easy visuals. Come on. Slide up that sucker. I'm gonna tape it and we'll see. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just doing something. It's better than not doing nothing, I know that. If it works for a little while, well then I know I fixed it and then I can get the right size line. But if it works forever, I don't have to jack with it again. Dorks. Like I said, it's my truck, you know. We're gonna do this shit Colts way. Be a good little learning process, I guess. All right. I mean, if that ain't repaired, I don't know what is. Get up on there, skank. All right, I'm gonna go get me some cutters. All right, so this is gonna go, we'll just loop it back like, come on, what are you doing? We'll just loop it back like this. Down out of the way. Oh, I think that looks beautiful. Just right there somewhere, love it. Beautiful. All right. Like I said, if it works for a little bit, well, it's gonna work. I love it. All right. I'm gonna pause it and get all my stuff ready, heat shrink it, and then we'll start again. All right, so now I've got two lines in here I've got to get. So I just need to carefully cut this back. I ain't careful about nothing. That white one's pretty damn brittle. All right, there's that. Can y'all even see this shit? So, I'm gonna zoom in real quick. Those white and black one right there is what I've got to hook to. So I'm gonna do the same shit. I'm gonna cut my damn vacuum line, and I'll heat sink it and get it on here. And so this one connects to this, and this white one goes up to this. And then I'll start the video when I got that done. You ain't got to watch all that shit. All right, so I got, all of them hooked up. It might not look that good. This one I didn't really heat shrink because before I do it right, I just wanted to make sure it's going to work. So I got everything, all the lines where I think they got to go. So let's go try this thing. I'm telling you, if this fixes it, I'm going to be pumped. Now, I know why they stopped making these things, because anybody can work on them. Any old jackass can fix it. What they need to go to the dealership for. Fix it all right here. All right. All right, let's try it out. Max. Shoot, son, I'm feeling it on me already. Look, it don't even want to stay flush. Oh my gosh. All right, it's not coming out there now. So, normal, vent. Oh my gosh, I'm so cool there. It's hitting me right in the ball sack. Let me put this thing down. Oh, I love it. All right, let's see, defrost. Go back up to defrost. Oh yeah, it's going back up to defrost. Oh, I love this truck. Hear that? Mm-hmm. All different. It's cold too. It's colder. I mean, all right. So, vent. Come on, baby. Come on. You're gonna see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Blow. Look at that. Shoot, son. Oh my gosh, it's freaking awesome. Oh, I love this truck. Oh, it's blowing kind of, I mean, it ain't like super cold, but it's cold. But it's blowing on my face now. And you can see it on the only thing I got is this piece of paper. But look, shoot, pushing it right back. So I don't even want to get close to it. It's pushing it right back. See if I can get my hair blowing in this. I got so much of it. Huh? You got to see something. I ain't got much hair, but you got to see something. Wonder if I can shut these other vents. They can go strong. Oh yeah. You got to see something. Huh? I know you see something moving. I ain't got a lot, but I know you see it. Oh, I love this truck. I'm so happy right now. Something that damn simple. I mean, feeling it all on me feels just fan-frickin-tabulous. Time to hit Clyde and call it a effing day. I'm gonna ride this son bitch uptown right now. It's 93 degrees. I'm finna go uptown. What you know about air conditioning coming out the vents? I do. It's coming out the vents. What you know about it? You don't, but I do. Oh, hell yeah. I love this truck. What you know about it coming out the vents? All right, Dicks. As always, appreciate y'all watching the channel. Just parked her over there. Had a glorious ride with the wind blowing through my face. The only thing I was missing was my mullet. It was just, air just hit my mullet would have been great, but it is what it is. Anyway, appreciate the hell of y'all watching. Till next time, God bless. Tails down, beaks up. Wow. Peace.